a thing on YouTube about water, and water go good after you drink liquor. You know what I'm saying? But yo, we was just at this joint, right? My man Iron Many, he said that I came off like a fan of some I ain't even call a bitch, cause I respect you, homegirl. You know what I'm saying? But no, wait up.
I have
Sass on the dude, and I'm here just to say, if you come over here, no way. Sassoon is the illest around town. Try to get down with my sound. I was drinking J-A-M to the E, to the S, to the O, to the N like your man. Use a sundew part, I know the plan. And if you try to come and try to flan, oh damn, you gon' get something else that you won't even know. I come off the black part and I just flow. Whatever you say, I come down the block and it's my way. Like Burger King, fuck McDonald's, I eat Popeyes when your bitch I agree. I say, baby, what's going down? Yeah, I like the color of your hair, but yo, I got to go somewhere else, and then I'ma bounce. See you the next day, then I'ma Yo, what's the chorus? Yo, Ski, what's the chorus? I gotta go. I gotta go. Hey yo, check it out. Instrumental to me ain't no thing. I'm in the booth right now, but I don't sing. Knew this bitch that sung one time, she was G-A-S. I'm like, bitch, bounce. What the fuck is your problem? Is you crazy? I'm Sass on the dude. Bitch, I'm never lazy. Skippy dudes do me very well. Yeah, Yo, bring me back, Paul, bring me back, yo. Terrible hands, terrible glands, smoke way too much, I got terrible throat, cause yo, I feel bubbles sometimes. I need to stop smoking, I don't sniff no lines. Peace to my Messi and K, VAC, baby, every all day. Any day you wanna see me, I'll be there. See me on 86, see me on 8th Street, see me in the bush, see me over there. I'll be at King's Plaza, I'll be everywhere. We're born, Sass on the dope, bitch, you know. Don't try to step to me, cause I could flow. I could flow like no other. My brother from another mother. And you discover whatever, smother like Smuckers, jelly I jam. Yo, I'm the man. My mom tell me I'm the motherfucking man. My sister tell me I'm the man, Paul. My pop say I ain't shit. He's like, yo, you need to get your shit together. You need to get a fucking job, yo. I'm like, chill, yo, I'm a fucking rapper, yo. I'm signing creative juices. You know what I'm saying? ID gave me $55,000 million on the deal, Paul. I'll be like, yo, Pops, man, fuck you, man. You crazy? I don't need these tools and this wrench. Yeah, that's right. Nah, man, I don't want that shit no more. I ain't gotta work with that shit no more. I'm saying, cause like, one day I was walking up the block, and there was this chick, there's this chick in Park Slope, right? And I was at the record store, and she said some ill shit to me. She said, I don't know, she said some ill shit, and I was like, anyway, to make a long story short, I saw, like, she said some shit coming at me like she liked me and shit. And then I saw on her block, I was like coming down her block, but I didn't mean to be coming down her block. And then like, I saw her, right, and I say hi, and she was like, she like stutter step, she stopped, and she was like, oh, I gotta go. And I didn't really know, yo, until this day, yo, that still fuck my mind, that shit still fuck my mind up, yo. And like now, when I see her, I don't even say nothing to her. I was on 7th Ave the other day, and I saw her, and I think I walked right past her, pardon, but I ain't say hi to her, because I thought that was pretty foul. So if you hear this is about you, and I ain't gonna say your name.
So say something in case she listening.
Yo, I like you. Hey, you wanna go out? We could go out for falafel. We could go to Mamoon's. Alright, nah, wait up. Wait up, son. Let me get serious. On the real, what I would do what I would do, right, I would take you, it wouldn't be nothing big. Like, I really don't go, like, going to take chicks out for, like, fucking food, because you gotta be looking at the chick, man, and, like, she got mad food in her mouth, and that shit is gross, yo. I don't know why motherfuckers be taking chicks on dates, because that shit is, not taking chicks on dates, but, I mean, taking chicks on dates to go eat food. Why you wanna take a chick to go eat food on a date, man, and then you gotta, like, be looking at the chick, you gotta be talking to her and shit, and she got like mad, y'all eating the salad, and the salad got dressing on it, and you fucking talking to her, she got like mad, like fucking green and white, and like when the motherfucking food get all chomped up and turn into different colors, it's bugged out. You don't take no fucking chick out to go eat, just go out and shit, you know, just go out, you know. What you could do is, boom, right? Say, boom, I live on 9th Street, right? So, I hop on the train. I don't hop the train, because I pay for the train, because I don't want to go to Bookings. Bookings is whack. Bookings, when you go to Bookings is like 3 days out your motherfucking life, man. That shit is whack. Anybody who think Bookings is ill, you're a fucking herb. Bookings is whack. But anyway, I jump on 9th Street, right? You know what I'm saying? I'll be like, yo, I tell Shorty out, you be like, yo, meet me, what's the stop on the F train? I'll be like, meet me on Broadway Lafayette, right? Boom, that's like right near the food stand. And then boom, I'll be like, yeah, you know, how you doing? What's going on? How's your day today? Blah, 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 that and the third. And then, you know, we'll just start walking. And all you gotta do is just talk. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't talk, man, I mean, you know, nothing happens, you know what I'm saying? You gotta talk, man, you gotta keep them entertained. If you don't keep them entertained, Paul, then what's the purpose, yo? But you the chick from around my way, you played yourself, Paul. Hey, yo, Ski.
Yo.
You my G, son. Yeah, alright, check it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, yo, come in. Nah, come on. Yo, come on, son. Come on. Kick the beatbox. Yo, this my brother Ski. Yo, this my brother Ski. My brother.
Yo.
This is the FJS crew in full effect right now, son. My brother ID out there. Damn, you ain't gonna kick the beatbox, son? Yo, kick the beatbox, son. Yeah, check it out. I rock, don't stop. When I rock, open the key, I got the key to open up the lock. My brother reads and kills, my brother many styles. My bad, Paul, you call me Spiff all the time. My brother ID, here we go, Paul. I saw like I see when I'm outside. Get a slice of pizza, my mom call it pizza with a P. KZA, yeah, you know how I do. Every day, all day, rock the low. POLO. Say hello to a fine bitch, and the bitch ain't say shit. Kept walking down the block, I ain't say shit. Yo, I'm still recording, yo. Alright, yo. Check it out, right? Yo. Alright, I'm trying to come up with another story, yo. Man, fuck it, man. I ain't gonna tell y'all no more stories, man. I could be here forever and a day, man. Yo, Manny.
What?
Yo, we gonna buy you a robe, Paul. We gonna... Yo, we gonna buy you a motherfucking robe, man, for real, man.
I want a white fluffy robe.
Man, I don't know, man. We get you a motherfucking robe, dog. You get a robe, man. I don't know if it's gonna be white and fluffy, man, but we get you a robe, you know what I'm saying? Oh, what color?
Purple.
Alright, purple.
Yo, Frank, come out here and listen to what you got.
Yo. What up? This shit, man, sad soul and full effect, full flare. Wait up. Let me take the headphones off. Yo, what up, man?
For fuck's sake.